friends, welcome back. So I am Chef Danielle, and what is your name?
Gabby.
Gabby. So we are here today learning all about the letter. What letter, Gabby?
X.
X, that's right, an X. Can you do an X with your hand? X. Yeah. Okay, so for the letter X, what we're gonna do is we're going to make special X shaped butterfly biscuits, right? We make the biscuit dough look like little X's.
Yep.
Okay, so do you want to help us? So what do we need for our biscuit dough? We use a little bit of flour. And what is this?
Some
butter.
Butter.
And baking powder so that it rises, right?
Yep, and tastes yummy.
Okay, and then we mix it together, and then we have our dough here. So look at our dough. Yay!
Can I roll it?
Look at that.
Can I roll it?
Okay, hold on. So I'm gonna give you some, and then
Mom, I'm gonna cut it.
you would like to cut it? Okay, cut it in half.
I'm gonna have the first piece. Mama, can you cut it?
Yes.
Can you hold it?
Can I help you? Okay, go ahead. Okay, here, let me help you. That's good, you did a great job. Now let me help you, and I'll give you your piece.
Mom, I want that piece.
You want the big piece. Gabby says she wants the big piece. So we're gonna roll it out a little more. You can put it there. She's gonna roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Great. Woo!
Mom, I can do it by myself now.
Okay. I'm just holding the tray so the tray doesn't slide.
The toy can't slide for me.
No? Okay. Go. Okay. Watch out, because it's gonna move. See? So I am gonna roll out my dough.
I get the handles.
Yeah, you have the one with the handles.
And you.
You have the perfect size for you, right?
Why you get the biggest size?
My hands are a little bigger. See? There we go. So I wanted Gabby to make our X-shaped biscuits, or you can use this with any dough. So if you have like pretzel dough, or if you're making like Parker House rolls, fancy, huh?
What's
It's just a type of roll. So if you're making, maybe rolls for a holiday, sometimes like on holidays like Thanksgiving, we make homemade rolls. Or if you just want to make it for a fun day.
Mom, can I cut it?
Okay, well what you need to do is we need to cut strips. You see like this? See how there are two strips? And then when we do it,
I'm gonna cut some extra pieces out.
You're gonna make strips that way?
I'm gonna make the same thing.
Okay. Can I help you?
I need to cut the extra pieces out.
Okay.
I'm gonna get all the way to the middle.
Okay, wait. Well, honey, wait, Gabby, because I need to have you do this, right? I'm gonna show you. I want you, hold on, because I'm gonna create the strips and then you can pull and roll them, okay? So let's do one strip like this, and then we'll do another strip. And it's okay to have an adult help you, right? You wanna lift it up? You're gonna have to lift them up.
I wanna do it on myself.
Okay, make another one.
Strip.
Okay. Can you show me how you make an X? She did it, friends. She made an X, 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 X. Okay, look, can we show them your X that you made? Wait, let's show them. See? Here, we'll put it down here and then we'll lift it up, okay? So that they can see Gabby's X. Can you take that so we can show them? Look. So look, friends, show them your X right there. Point to your X.
This is my X.
Yeah! Okay, so we're gonna make another X. I made one and you can make two.
Mama, 2.5.
2.5? Well, then if there's only half an X, then it's not gonna be an X. Here, I'm gonna give you this one. I'll give you one piece of mine.
Why?
There you go. And look, Look at that. We have another X. Let's move this to the side so that we can show them that you have 2 X's now. Where's your first X? Where's the first X we made?
This one.
That's right.
Last.
Awesome. And look, Chef Danielle, I only made 1. Right?
One.
So why don't we go ahead and put these, here, let's take this off. Yeah, we'll take this off of here. And we need to put it on a baking sheet. And then we'll be back to show you the final product.
This is going to be the baking sheet.
Okay.
And I want to
Okay, put it on there for me.
put the same line where I put mine.
Great. So look, show them we've got 3 X's. 3 X's, 3 X's going in the oven. 3 X's, 3 X's, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so look, our biscuit X's are ready. They're almost like butterfly biscuit X's. Look at this, like a butterfly. They kind of butterflied open. Now, look at that. Sometimes if they come apart, that's okay.
Mama, I don't want
Which one do you want?
I want these. This.
You do want that one? Okay. Oh, part of the X came apart. That's okay because it's all going in our tummies. And because it's yummy.
Mama, but I can't do it without a plate.
Oh, you don't need a plate. Here, you want to take this? Over there. Okay, so you got to try it. Can I try a piece too? Should I try your X or another X?
I'm gonna try mine.
Oh, she's sharing her X with me. Ready? Cheers. Alrighty.
Now the sweet.
They're sweet? Mmm. Thank you so much for joining us for the letter. What letter was this?
X.
X, yes. So we hope you join us next week for the letter Y. I think we're making something with yogurt. Okay, bye friends.
Why we're making another
No,
one?
just say bye friends.
Bye, friends.
Wait, bye friends.